I previously made a Blackberry Tart with just 3 ingredients: store-bought pastry, jam, and fresh blackberries. It was delicious, but I wanted to see if I could make it better. This time I've added a 4th component, which is almond cream. The result was much richer and creamier. First, defrost the pastry and line the tin. Poke holes in the pastry to stop it from puffing up and having big air bubbles. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. While it's cooking, make the almond cream. Start with 130 grams of icing sugar, add 16 grams of corn flour, 100 grams of almond flour, 90 grams of margarine, I'm using Nuttelex, a dash of vanilla extract, and about 3 tablespoons of applesauce. Add the applesauce slowly. What's important is to get the consistency right, so stop when it's a nice thick creamy texture. I made my own applesauce with just an apple and some water and a blender. After 15 minutes, take the pastry out of the oven and spoon jam in and spread around. I used the same amount I would as if I was putting it on toast. Now, add the almond cream. If you're being very careful, you could use a pastry bag, but I don't bother. Lastly, top it with fresh blackberries. Put it back in the oven for 45 minutes to cook. This was really delicious and I highly recommend it.